folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete Quickies. It's a new playlist I'm putting together. It's all about cooking tips, kitchen tips, food tips, and quick recipes. You're going to love it. Let's get to it. Today I'm doing an outstanding buffalo chicken sandwich. This is perfect if you have leftover chicken. You're going to chop it up fine, and you'll need 1 cup of that for this recipe. We'll place our chicken into a bowl, and we're going to need some finely diced onions. Dice them up as small as you can get them. We want 1/4 of a cup. Let's add that to our bowl. Now we're going to use some blue cheese. Use a good chunky blue cheese dressing. And we'll need 1/4 cup of that right into the bowl. Then we're going to use some hot sauce. It's your choice, your favorite 2 to 3 teaspoons of hot sauce, and then mix all well. Let's warm that up in the microwave for about 30 seconds. We're almost done this recipe. It's so quick, so simple. Now, let's toast up our buns. I got a nice brioche bun. I'm going to add some butter and then sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder on it. That'll give it a little extra flavor. Into the toaster it goes, and when that's nice and golden brown, we'll put our warm chicken on top, and we need some crunch. Let's put some crunchy lettuce, some crunchy pickles. Oh, there it is. Doesn't that look mouth-watering? Well, thanks for joining me on another In the Kitchen with Pete Quickie. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. You'll get notified every time I put out a new video or a quickie. Until next time, see ya.
Baby, please don't pretend you do.